Good day, sir. I am Byron Jason E. from BSFI 1A. So today I will share what is my understanding of what I have learned about the nature of contemporary and modern dance. So modern dance is a younger art form than ballet, and the movement style center on the dancer own interpretation instead of the standardized movements and structure step of classical or traditional ballet. It is a freedom and improvisational modern dance is often described as fluid and freedom, alternating between long, lanky movements and jerky ones that shows that contraction and expansion of the body. Some dancers create their own unique moves for routines or even use improvisation during their performance. Modern dance also offers dancers a chance to explore their creativity through movement. It also builds a lot of strength, from floor work to jumps to partnering and improvisation. A modern dancer uses his or her entire body and must learn to go from one level to another quickly and seamlessly. While contemporary dance stresses versatility and improvisation, unlike the strict structure nature of ballet. Contemporary dancers focus on floor work using gravity to pull them down to the floor. This dance genre is often done in bare feet. Contemporary dance can be performed to many different styles of music. It combines the strong but controlled leg work of ballet with elements of modern dance, focusing on the contract and release of the body, and the unpredictable changes in the rhythm, speed and direction. It also employs floor work, fall and recovery, and improvisation characteristics of modern dance. Contemporary dance began at the start of a 20th century when U.S. dancer Isadora Duncan of 1878 to 1927 broke away from ballet and developed her own more natural style. Contemporary dance has many different styles, some of them closely linked to music such as jazz, rock and roll rather, and hip hop. And that is my understanding. Thank you, sir.